For this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to tie a double half hitch knot horizontally and diagonally. To start your double half hitch knot, you're going to grab the furthest cord to the left, cord 1, and bring it over to the right of your other cords. While holding on to your filler cord, take the very next cord to your right, cord 2, and you're going to bring it up around your filler cord and through this little gap right here between cords 1 and cords 2. While holding your filler cord, take your working cord and pull tight. That is a half hitch knot, and to finish your double half hitch knot, you will repeat the same steps with the same working cord. So again, you're going to bring it over your filler cord, around and through that loop between your half hitch and your cord. Pull to tighten your double half hitch knot. One more time, go over to the next cord, same exact thing, holding your filler cord, take your working cord and go up around your filler cord to the left and through that loop and pull tight. Finish your knot by taking the same cord and repeating the same steps. Go up, around your filler cord, to the left, through that loop, and pull your working cord tight. And that is another double half hitch knot. So the double half hitch knot is a very easy knot, and you can add it into any of your macrame pieces, wall hangs, and even plant hangers. And that is your horizontal double half hitch knot. If you wanted it to go at an angle, you can determine that based off of which way you hold your filler cord. So if you wanted it to now go at an angle downwards, you will take that filler cord and bring it to the left, take the next cord to the left, and again, you're going to repeat the same thing, going around your filler cord to the right this time, through that loop and pull, and that is your half hitch, and repeat one more time to complete that double half hitch. So if you wanted it to go at an angle, you will continue to hold your filler cord the direction you want the knot to go. And that is your double half hitch, one at a horizontal position and one at a diagonal position.